Hey fam, so tonight we're going to be making the Trader Joe's chicken and rice with the orange fried chicken. They love these type of meals, and as I mentioned in the grocery haul, this was something easy where we can just cook up. So tonight we're going to go ahead and do it. And the fried rice, you're just going to cook it until it gets soft. It's 5-minute rice. That's right. And they love this rice. It was really good and tasty. And then once you get it fried up enough, then you can go ahead and add some soy sauce and some umami sauce. If you like sushi, that's one of the sauces that comes on there. So it's really good. And then once you go ahead and get it fried up enough, about 5 minutes worth or until your tenderness, you can go ahead and take it off. And then you can hear the sizzle that it made in the pan. It sounded really good. We went on ahead and put it in this bowl right here and set it to the side. And then when it comes to the orange chicken, it comes in a bag and it's frozen. So you're going to add some oil just like we did the rice. And you're going to fry the chicken up until it gets nice and crispy. Okay. And once you get that crispiness on it, after tossing it around a few times and letting it sit, then you can go ahead and add the sauce that it came with, but that sauce is frozen. So we did warm it under some hot water to make sure that it was good enough when the time came. After your chicken is done, you're going to go ahead and mix that sauce with that chicken, and then boom, shakalaka, like they say, dinner is done. Didn't take that long at all. So we would highly recommend these two things from Trader Joe's, the fried chicken and the orange chicken. So go ahead and try it. Let us know if you like it, and we'll see y'all back for the next video.